Which is the longest river of Myanmar? Irrawaddy River. A tropical deciduous plant special to the Deccan Plateau is sandalwood. The largest producer of lac in India is Jharkhand. Salal Dam is built on which river? Chenab. Which port is located at the northern end of the Panama Canal? Cologne. What is the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. called? Weather. Which river basin is shared by more than 10 states of India? Ganges River Basin. Ring of fire is found commonly in which ocean? Pacific Ocean. Ajanta and Ellora caves are situated in which state of India? Maharashtra. Which state in India receives rainfall due to western disturbances? Punjab. How many Indian states share their boundaries with Nepal? 5. 1 degree of latitude is equal to how many kilometers? 111 kilometers. If a star is bigger than Sun but not more than twice as big, it will turn into what? Pulsar. Which atmospheric layer contains ozone layer? Stratosphere. Which is the largest and deepest ocean? Pacific. The famous Hawa Mahal is in which city of Rajasthan? Jaipur. Khasi tribe lives in which state? Meghalaya. Equal day or equal night in both hemispheres is on which date? 21st March and 23rd September. Which cave is a cultural mixture of religious arts of Buddhism, Hinduism and Jainism? Ellora Caves. 10-degree channel is located between which islands? Little Andaman and Car Nicobar. June 21 marks the winter solstice in which hemisphere? Southern Hemisphere. Which forests are also called monsoon forests? Tropical deciduous forests. Which country is the largest producer of rice? China. The city of Tashkent is located in which country? Uzbekistan. The term roaring forties is related to which winds? Westerlies. Where are the Toda tribes found? Tamil Nadu. In India, coal fields are mainly found in which valley? Damodar Valley. Where is the headquarters of the International Olympic Committee located? Switzerland. The angle between the magnetic meridian and the geographical meridian at a place is called declination. By which name is the Gandak River in Nepal known? Narayani. The Mughal Gardens, situated in the premise of Rashtrapati Bhavan, the official residence of the President of India in New Delhi, are open to the public in the months of February and March. The international border of Myanmar is the longest with which country? China. Konkan coast is stretched from which place to which place? Goa to Mumbai. Which mineral is not found in the plateau regions? Mineral oil. The civilian airport of highest altitude is in which country? China. The leading producer of asbestos in the world is which country? Russia. The Kovada Nuclear Park project is proposed to be set up in which state? Andhra Pradesh. Which state has become India's first carbon-free state? Himachal Pradesh. Which country has the longest overland tunnel? Switzerland. The Gobi Desert is one of the largest deserts on earth. A major part of it lies in which country? Mongolia. Which activity produces the most solid waste? Manufacturing. Kyoto Protocol is associated with which issue? Climate change. The former princely state Nahan is part of which state? Himachal Pradesh. Which country forms the longest international border with India in the Far East? Myanmar. Bangladesh shares around how much length border with India? 4,156 kilometers. How many biosphere reserves does India have? 18. Which Indian state has the largest share of wastelands in India? Rajasthan. With which country India has recently decided to partner for strategic storage of crude oil in southern India? United Arab Emirates. Which World Heritage Site comprises of the Alai Darwaja Gate? Qutub Minar. Which neighboring country of India is the largest producer of opium in the world? Afghanistan. To score better in SSC exams, practice previous year question papers and mock tests. For mock tests, Google search Crack SSC free mocks. For SSC previous papers, Google search Crack SSC previous papers. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel and please click the bell icon for daily notifications. Thank you.